Hi everyone. Have you guys ever seen how to do the wire, the Flemish eye? If you don't know how to do it, guys, if you watch this video, you will learn. Because we are making just now the wires like a combination sweeps. We don't have a combination. We are poor people. We just find this one from the skip, and we are making rope for the net. We call the combination, but we don't use combination. We just only use wire, you know. So I put this one on here, and then what we do, we open this one, three, because it's six strands on it. What do you call them, Greg, again? Strands, 6 strands on it, and then we have got one in the middle as well. So we do 3 and 3, and then open up. But it's always just the end. If you tape to the end, it will be easier for you guys. So we take this one off completely. We just made it quite long, because if it's too short, it's no good. My brother Greg said, do longer.
Looking for that length at the end.
Yeah. So, kurwa! My pal, kurva, is gone now. So guys, watch now. I make this one open it. Completely, absolutely shatters. So, and then you hold it like this. And then you chant the eye. So what I do, that is the center. I made it. So when you make the center, you just want one of them goes in, and then you say kurva. Now, a couple of times go this one, 3 times, and then come back and do 3 times this one. And then go this one more, and this one more. Oh, Matty. So guys, you see, now become perfect. I'll better go one more on this one. No, you don't need that, it's too much. And then, when you come here, sorry. So we cut the end off. And then, where is my... So you go in the middle, guys, look. You come like that. You come in the middle. And then 3 and 3 again. Just turn it. Look. You turn. When you turn, it moves it. And then push! Don't push because you will get smell. And then same hole, we put the other side as well. And then now take it off of it and then turn it again. Go one in and then the other one, it goes opposite side. So the other one, it goes opposite side. And then I'm gonna take it off of it and then twist it again. Your thing is, what do you call that again, Greg, this hand things?
What do you call what?
This one.
Spike.
Ah, spike.
Fid.
You see, I forgot about the name of it because no brain left. And then go. Normally, if you do it twice, we're okay, but we just make sure 3 times. There you go. That's perfect Flemish eye. It's called the Flemish eye. Flemish eye. And do exactly the same again. Mahdi, yes. By the way, we always advertise Peter at Harbor Authority. And even my crewman, look, Greg. Greg is doing that. Greg is faster than me because I speak too much shit. Mahdi, yes. Okay, guys. Enjoy. I hope you all gonna enjoy this video.